What's going on, family? So we're going to do a quick room tour of Norwegian's Pearl. We have the bed right here, nice size bed. Right across the way, a picture right there, and then we have the TV. Coming on around here, we have the closet right there where you can hang up your clothes. More space on this side. You also have your lock right there. You're safe. So let's check out the bathroom. Now I love this bathroom. This right here just made so much sense to me. You put the toilet over here away from the shower, and you actually have room to take care of your business. Instead of the toilet being right next to the shower, you can't even sit on the toilet because it's so close to the shower. All right. Then another thing I like what Norwegian has done, look right here. You have, look how large this shower is. This shower can fit 2 to 3 people easily. You and your significant other can fit in this shower. And I like how they pull this back right here. The doors, no water coming from the top, no water coming from the bottom. So over here to your left, you can see they even have a little area where you can sit down and just cool out. If you don't want to lay in the bed, you want to just sit here and watch TV from the couch, you can. A nice beautiful picture right here. I know the ladies love this area here where you can sit right there in that chair right there, and you can do your makeup or whatever you got going on. You can do that. I do have a balcony room, so we pull this back. See, chairs right there. This right here is Norwegian's port of call. You would go through here to board the ship. So this is Norwegian's Pearl room tour. I'm really impressed how large it is, and definitely what they've done to the bathroom. It just made sense to move the toilet away from the shower. That just made sense. And the shower is twice as big for you and your significant other to get in together if that's something that you're into.